Hey everyone, in today's video I'm showing you how I'm converting sweeps coins to cash on Yay Casino. Stick around to see how my session plays out. You won't want to miss it. This will be the first time that I'm converting sweeps coins to cash on Yay Casino. I have done my research and I know that Great Reef is a low volatility game, so I'm going to be playing that one. I found an amazing website called slotcatalog.com. That's where I do all my research for on how to choose the games that I'm going to play, and I always go for low volatility games, and this one is a low volatility game. And I have played it before on Zula Casino and it converted really well. So I'm going to do this for the very first time on Yay Casino, and let's fingers crossed that it goes just as well. Okay, so I have 111 in sweeps coins and I want to go down to the lowest per spin. So in this case it's 25 cents in sweeps coins per spin, so I'm going to choose that. And I have to do the math because I don't want to go beyond my sweeps coins, because if I play more than the 111 right here in sweeps coins, then it's going to start to take real money, and I don't want to play with any real money. I'm just playing with sweeps coins. So I have to do 111 divided by 0.25 to see how many spins I can do. So I need to do 444 spins to get through all of my sweeps coins. So let's see here. I'm way. Look at that already! Yay! Love this game. Oh, there it is. Oh, thank goodness, right. So I have to click on autoplay. All right, so I'm going to go to, oh no, that's 1,000, right? No. 500 is too much. Oh, okay, so I have to do 100. I'll do 100 at a time. Okay, start autoplay. There we go. Good. Yay! Yeah, this is I highly recommend this game. It's a good one. A lot of frequent wins. They're not huge wins, but a lot of them, they're frequent. And when I have played this game before on Zula Casino, it converted at over 100%. I do remember that. It was over 100%. So hopefully it'll be over 100% again today. See, it barely goes without winning something. It's almost every single spin I'm winning something. So I'm going to stop the recording right now because otherwise this is going to be a very long video, and then when I have just a handful of spins left to do, I will come back so we see how it went, how the whole session went. Hey everyone, I am back. So I think I have just 7 more spins to go. So the way to check to make sure that you don't overspin, just go up here where it says SC, click on that, click more info, and see here unplayed sweeps coins. So $1.75 in unplayed sweeps coins. You do 1.75 divided by 0.25 to find out how many spins you have left, and I have 7 spins left, so let's see what happens. So I'll just do it manually. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that was nice. 5, 6, 7. Good. So if I go back here, it should be 0 unplayed. Let's see. Yep, 0 unplayed. Okay, so now I have, so I had 111 in sweeps coins and I turned it into $102.60 in real money, people. Real money! Woohoo! So exciting. So if you want to learn how to do this with this casino, Yay Casino, I just log in daily and you get $1 in sweeps coins every day just for logging in. And when you first open up your new account with Yay, they give you all kinds of extra sweeps coins. So it didn't take that long for me to get to 111 in sweeps coins, so I didn't spend a single red cent. I had 111 sweeps coins, turned it into $102.60 in real money, and like I said, didn't cost me anything. And I sign into several other casinos, and I do write to some casinos. When I say I write, that means you can write to casinos requesting sweeps coins, and a lot of the casinos, they'll give you $5 for every single letter you send requesting that those sweeps coins. Right now I have almost around $900 more in sweeps coins to convert from other casinos, just a total of that, over the several other casinos that I have. So I have to play some more games, convert some more, and stick around, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing, and I will be converting sweeps coins to cash. And check my description for all kinds of links to the paid per letter program. That's the course that I took to learn how to request sweeps coins by writing letters. And so if you're interested in that, you might want to check that out. And there's a whole bunch of other links in there to all the casinos that I recommend, and slotcatalog.com, where you'll learn how to research and find the best low volatility games, because that's what you want to do. You want to get the low volatility games. Okay, anyway, we'll see you in the next one.